Bungee install. You will need the Universal Bungee and Micro Bungee Attachment. This video will help with both the 1.2 and 1.3 Microformer. Flip your Micro upside down. We're going to start with the Micro Bungee Attachment loop. Flatten it out a bit and run it under one side of the foot, over the rail, and under the other side of the foot, so that you end up with the snap end and loop end centered under the platform. Run the snap through the open loop of the strap. Grab the Universal Bungee and snap in the third ring that will give you the most common length for the Micro. After you've snapped in the bungee, run the entire bungee under the base of the platform. Flip your Micro over and your bungee is ready for use.